Miranda Fox, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Today I have a stunning condo for you to check out at 98 Aspen Springs in Bowmanville. Everything has been done from tip to toe, and I can't wait for you to check it out. There's a couple of special touches here that I wanted to point out. The flooring is consistent throughout, which makes it feel even bigger than it is. We've got larger baseboards, we've got painted throughout, the detail on the doors. The care and concern that has been put in here is incredible. You are totally going to appreciate it. What I love about this space is how open concept it is and everything just flows. We've got a brand new kitchen here. Look at the countertops, waterfall edge down the side, and those fixtures are incredible. Now it's open to the dining area where we've got a feature wall and light, bright space. And outside, we have this incredible balcony. It's covered, it's open, and it's so serene. And my favorite is the primary. I want you to pay attention to these details. Look at that ceiling, it's gorgeous. We also have a walk-in closet with a makeup bar. Here's the second bedroom. This really is one of the nicest units and the largest that I've seen in these buildings. Now I want you to come and check it out for yourself. Give us a call, the number's above, and we'll be happy to take you through for a showing. And also don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I want to make sure you don't miss out on any other fantastic homes.